My video guide is dedicated to help you remove malicious pop-ups related to the site waitforload.com. Waitforload.com is a malicious site that may unexpectedly attack Google Chrome and other browsers. Waitforload.com tries to deceive people and to make them download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. Basically, such extensions may operate as adware or as browser hijackers, and if they get installed, a lot of troubles may take place. So that's all because of such strange pop-ups by waitforload.com. Please be very careful. If any unwanted extensions were mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you need to undertake the measures and get rid of them immediately. Actually, we can see a real mess in our computer. It could be that the system is definitely burdened by some malware or adware at least. So we recommend you to go to the menu, more tools, then you need to choose extensions and remove this extension from the Google Chrome browser. Finally, to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats, we recommend that you research it with the help of reliable security software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and then start researching the system. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.